Hi dosto, once again welcome back to the channel. This video is regarding Madhya Pradesh class 12th examination result declared just now in 2021. I will show you in quickly in 2 minutes. You can check the result. As you can see on the screen, this is the link mpresults.nic.in. I will give this link in my video description. You can directly copy paste. You can do from mobile. There is no need of installing any application. So you can see here the first link itself clearly it is showing HSSC the result for class 12th declared on 29th 12 p.m. Okay, just click on this link and directly it will go to the portal where you can find your examination results, and you are supposed to enter your roll number, application number, only two things, and after that you are supposed to click on the submit button. So friends, enter your roll number will be 9-digit and application number also should be there, and if you are not knowing this, please get it from your school itself. And friends, once you log in, you get the details like this, and you can also print and store this. There will be subject wise marks card as well as your final result will be declared here. Okay, thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and subscribe.